Hello everyone, I am Narendra Bharia. In this video, I will dive into an in-depth analysis of Zomato's food delivery dataset. Aim to uncover valuable insights into restaurant performance, customer preference, and spending habit to help Zomato optimize its strategies and enhance user experience. Let's overview of this Zomato dataset. Zomato has an average of 17 million monthly transaction customer for its food delivery business. Additionally, the average monthly active food delivery restaurant partners on Zomato's platform have also increased by 8.7% year on year, growing from 2,26,000. This dataset provides insights into Zomato's food delivery operation, including restaurant types, customer preference, vote ratings, and approximate cost per two people. Through analyzing this data, we can uncover key trends in online ordering, customer behavior, and restaurant popularity. Let's importing the dataset. I have imported this Zomato data. Here is your unique value. You can see here. Then info. There is a 5 object to each integer. We perform processing here. We check null value and duplicate value. There is a no null value, no duplicate value found here. But there is a error in rating columns. There is a denominator. We have to replace with. You can see here a rating column has a denominator 5/5. We have to replace with empty. So replace with empty and convert it into floats. So I clean the data here. Then I perform exploratory data analysis. Our first question is what type of restaurant do the majority of customer order forms? You can see that from the graph we can see the majority of customers prefer ordering from a dining restaurant with a total of 110 orders. Cafe follow as the second most popular type with 23 orders. Other type of restaurant have 8 orders. Buffet restaurant are the least preferred with 7 orders. Our second question is how many votes has each type of restaurant received from customers? We can see that clearly in the graph. The majority of votes are received by dining restaurant with total of 20,000, more than 20,000. Other restaurant follow with 9,000 approximately votes. Cafe have the more than 6,000 votes. Buffet restaurant have the fewest votes with more than 3,000 votes. Our third question is what are the rating that the majority of restaurant have received? I have written this code to extract insight. You can see this graph. From the graph we can see that the majority of restaurants have received the rating of 3.8, which is the most frequent rating with 20 occurrences. This indicates that the average customer satisfaction level is relatively high but not exceptional. Additional rating of 3.7 and 3.3 are also common, suggesting a general concentration of rating in the mid to upper range of the scale. Most restaurants are rated between 3.3 and 4.1, with 3.8 being the peak, reflecting the generally positive but varied level of customer satisfaction. Our fourth question is Zomato has observed that most couple order most of their food online. What is their average spending on each order? We can see that this graph, the majority of couples spend around 300 rupees on their food orders with 23 occurrence at this price point. The next common spending amount are 200 rupees and 150 rupees, each with 16 occurrence, followed by order costing 400 rupees with 15 occurrence. Most couple prefer affordable dining option as the majority of spending fall in the range of 200 to 500 rupees per order. This suggests that Zomato can focus on promoting social offers for restaurant with meals option price between 200 to 500 rupees to attract more couples who prefer ordering online. Our next question is which mode online or offline has received the maximum rating? I have written this code to extract insight. You can see this graph, bar graph, and you can see this pie chart graph. Online order have received the highest rating 4.6 in percentage 51%, indicating strong customer preference and satisfaction when ordering online. Offline order, while still well rated, have received a slightly lower maximum rating of 4.3 in percentage for more than 48%. This suggests that Zomato online ordering system is meeting customer expectation more effectively, and future efforts could focus on further enhancing the offline experience to bridge the gap. Our next question is, which type of restaurant more offer line order or so that Zomato can provide those customers with some good offers. You can see there this heat map, a graph. We can see clearly here a dining restaurant receives significantly more offline order with 77 offline order compared to only 33 online orders. This indicates that customers prefer placing order in person at dining restaurant, making them a great target for offline offer and promotion. Cafe, on the other hand, have higher promotion of online orders, suggesting a different customer behavior for this type of establishment. Our next question is your top 10 restaurant based on what you can we can see that from the above graph we can see that clearly Empire Restaurant has the highest vote, more than 4,000. And Meghana Restaurant has more than 4,000 votes. Third one is Honesta, which is more than 2,000 votes. Our next question is top 10 restaurant based on ratings. We can clearly see that in this graph, Honesta Restaurant got 4.6 ratings, which is followed by Empire Restaurant 4.4 ratings. Meghana Food Restaurant got 4.4 ratings, and other restaurant got. Our ninth question: top 10 restaurant based on approximate cost for two people. We can see that clearly in this graph. Either Persian kitchen restaurants approximate cost for two people each 950 rupees, and Cafe Coffee Day restaurant has 900 rupees for two people. And K27 the pub restaurant has 900 rupees for the cost of two people. Jeet restaurant has the more than 800 rupees for the approximate cost for two people. You can clearly see in this graph. Last, what we learn in this project. So I have learned so many things in this project. This project involved an depth analysis of Zomato food delivery data set, focusing on various aspects of restaurants and customer behavior. My aim was to drive meaningful insight that could inform Zomato's business strategies and enhance their platform's user experience. The dataset include details such as restaurant types, customer ratings online, offline ordering preference, and approximate cost for two people's. Popular restaurant types. We analyze which type of restaurants such as dining, cafe, buffet, and others are most frequently chosen by the customers. This analysis help identify customer preference and trends in dining habits. Vote by restaurant types. We aggregated the total number of votes each restaurant's type received to gauge its popularity and customers' engagement. This insight is useful for understanding which restaurant categories are most favored by users. Rating distribution. We examine the distribution of restaurant ratings to determine the most common ratings. This helpful in assessing the overall customer satisfaction and identifying the trends in how customer rates their dining experience. Average spending. We calculated the average expenditure for online orders. This information provides insight into how much customers typically spend on their orders, which can inform pricing strategies and promotions. A comparison of ratings by order modes. We compare to ratings received by online and offline order to understand how much each mode affect customer satisfaction. This comparison highlights whether online or offline ordering leads to better rated experience. Offline order analysis. We identified which type of restaurants receive more offline orders. This analysis helps in targeting promotional offers and improving marketing strategies for restaurant types that are more popular or in-person dining. By leveraging this data set, Zomato can tailor its marketing strategies, enhance customer experience, optimize its partnerships with restaurant by understanding customer preference, spending habits, and satisfaction levels. Zomato can enhance its service offering and drive growth on its platform. This analysis contributes to deeper understanding of consumer behavior and helps in making a data-driven decision for improving service quality and customer satisfaction. This project underscores the performance of a data-driven decision making in the food delivery industry. I hope, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, feel free to leave any question or comment below. Thank you very much.